Good morning friends, this is Kiran Sarvais. Yesterday already sent you video. I hope you understand properly. See your page number 17 in left side paragraph, second left paragraph. We take a before first paragraph. You have forgotten the three quid, said the young man. Young man, this is a Barty, opening the carriage door and pitching his suitcase onto the platform. प्लेटफॉर्म पे उसकी suitcase रखकर कहा कि आपने मुझे थ्री क्विट्स देने का वादा किया था, शायद आप भूल गए हो. आई हैव नो इंटेंशन ऑफ लेंडिंग यू £3 ऑफ थ्री शिलिंग्स सेट सेटबाय सेवरली. सो दैट्स वाई उन्होंने कहा कि ही सेट सेवरली आई हैव नो इंटेंशन ऑफ लेंडिंग टू ए मनी. आपको पैसे देने का मेरा ऐसा कोई इरादा नहीं था. बट यू सेड, द पार्टी सेड दैट, बट यू सेड, आपने कहा था. सो दैट्स वाई सेड दैट आई नो आई डिड. हाँ, मुझे पता है मैंने ऐसे कहा था. माई सस्पिशियंस हैड नॉट बीन रोज्ड देन. सस्पिशियंस मीन्स दिस इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन और शक. तब मेरा शक एक्टिव नहीं हुआ था, अब हुआ है. दो आई हैड नॉट नेसेसरली slowed your story. This is not important your story for me. The correct about the crest put me on my guard. So that's why he giving the just information. What is the correct crest? Give me to me, because Barte show the two crest. So that's why this is the one reason for that he do not give the money. Notwithstanding the really brilliant way in which you accounted for it. जिस तरह से आपने दिया है ब्रिलियंटली, गिव मी द वन क्रेस्ट, डू नॉट शो मी द बोथ क्रेस्ट. देन आई लेड अ ट्रैप फॉर यू. फिर मैंने आपके लिए एक जाल बिछाया है. आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई हैड नेवर मीट मिसेस Alpenjago. एज अ मैटर ऑफ fact, I met her at lunch on Monday last. So, according to the Phillips, he made a trap for the Bertie because he unknown toward the Jago, he showed that type of behavior. But last Monday he already met, so that's why he giving the just information for that. She is a pronounced blonde. What is mean by pronounced blonde? Strongly markable means this is the person with a fair skin and hair. जिस तरह से उसका जागो का डिस्क्रिप्शंस दिया गया है. The train move on, leaving the so-called son of the Salpenjago family cursing furiously on the platform. So that's why cursing furiously. In a wild manner, he cursing to that family on the platform, because the Phillips give the three general information. Already I made the Salpenjago it last Monday, and actually, and he show me the two crest, and actually third one is that the blonde, because he said that Bertie said that brown hair and here having the different hair. So that's why this is the three things making confusion to the Phillips. So that's why he do not lending to the money to the Bertie. Well, he has not opened his Phoenix expedition by कैचिंग अ फ्लैट. उन्होंने अपना फिशिंग एक्सपेडिशन भी कुछ भी नहीं दिखाया. चकल स्लेटर बाय उसने मन में कहा. He would have an entertaining story to recount. Recount means give detail. Recalled at dinner that evening, and his clever little trap would earn him applause as a man of resource of uh, astuteness. Astuteness. So till here, when you discussing about that, the fishing expenditure he do not open. So that's why he Bertie give the entertainment story to the other person. Recount means give a detailed story at the evening, and his clever little trap would earn his applause. Applause means praise. वाह, प्रशंसा करना या वाह वाह मिलना. as a man of resource of ascertainment means brilliantly, because Barte is a very brilliant. He this story give to the other person and want to borrowing the some money from him. He was still telling his advantage of imagination to an attentive audience of dinner guests when the train drew up at his destination. So destination यानी आखिरी मुकाम तक जब जाती है तब तक वो बार्टी अपनी सारी स्टोरी हर एक पैसेंजर को सुनाकर पैसे मांगने का प्रयास कर रहा होगा. दिस इज द थिंकिंग ऑफ द स्लेटर बॉय. ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म ही was greeted sedately. What is mean by sedately? Greeted means thankfully, sedately means calmly, शांति से. On the platform, he was greeted sedately by a tall footman and noisily by colored people, an important lawyer who had apparently travelled down by the same train. On the platform, who meet to the liar. This is the liar. This is the Mrs. Salplin Jagos liar. He coming with him by the same train, and he seeing the all this position, all this story. So that's why he give the identification on the platform. Hello Sarzaba, you sending the weekend at Brill. उसने कहा कि आप वीकेंड पूरा एक हफ्ता ब्रिल में गुजारने जा रहे हो. गुड, एक्सीलेंट. वी विल हैव अ राउंड ऑफ गोल्फ टुगेदर टुमारो. कल हमें गोल्फ मैदान में वहाँ पे राउंड करना है. हियर वी आर, हियर्स द कार वेटिंग फॉर अस एंड वेरी नाइस टू. So that's why the liar gives the just information, car is waiting for us, so we want to go there. The car which won clowned people's approval was a symptoms looking vehicle, which seemed to embody the last word in elegance, comfort. These are the words. Symptoms embodies elegance. This is regarding to the car, and the just liar giving the just information about the car, because car is very costly, so that's why he give the just information regarding that. The locomotive power also. Its graceful lines and symmetrical design marks the fact that it was an enormous wheel structure. Enormous wheel structure, जिस गाड़ी को बहुत बड़े बड़े व्हील स्ट्रक्चर से ऐसी गाड़ी डिज़ाइन की गई है, सिमेट्रिकल से, ऐसी गाड़ी के बारे में वो डिस्कस कर रहा था, जानकारी दे रहा था. कंबाइनिंग द फीचर्स ऑफ द होटल लॉन्ज एंड इंजन रूम. जैसे कि रेलवे में इंजन रूम रहता है या जैसा कोई होटल होता है, according to that this is the same car here standing and waiting for us. So that's why this lawyer giving the just information about the car. Different sort of vehicle to the horse drawn carriage in which our grandfather used to travel in. The lawyer also give the मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दैट. हमारे जो पहले के दादाजी थे, परदादाजी थे, वो सिर्फ हॉर्स ड्राउन कैरीज, घोड़ा गाड़ी में जाते थे, एंड नाउ वो हैव टू गो विथ द कार. एग्जामाइन द लॉयर appreciately. Examine the liar appreciately. He gives the just information gratefully manner. And for Slitherby benefit, he began running over the cheap point of perfection in the fitting and mechanism of the car. So this is the just information that liar give to the Phillips, and this is the very beneficial to you. You have to sit here in a comfortable manner. So that's why this is the description of the car that lawyer give to the Phillips. Okay, thank you.